Hi, Jennifer. My name's Christian. I'm with RinGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video for you to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use to increase your online presence on your own. And so, contrary to popular belief, a website of your own can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So they're not going to be handed out to multiple different agents or playing the game of who paid the most money to me this month, so I'm going to give you the most leads, like Zillow likes to do. So, first of all, I'm glad to see that you have everyone on your Facebook page that you're a realtor. It shows you're a realtor in your cover photo. You got it right under your name. That's awesome. You even got your website here, Jenifer Sells Tampa. So we're going to go to Jenifer Sells Tampa, which is right here. So I'm glad to see you have a website. Awesome. How many leads is this website bringing for you? How much money are you making from this website? Who's finding it organically, typing in their name, and giving you a call from this website? Only you know the answer to that. But these things that you implement into it will definitely help. So the first thing we're going to talk about is content. Content is king in the eyes of Google and all search engines. The more content you have, the better. Keep in mind that content isn't just the words on the website, it's also the photos, how the photos are saved, what's behind the photos, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, so on and so forth. And so as far as, especially with real estate websites, the amount of photos that you're going to have with your listings and with the IDX feed and all that, it's really important to make sure you save them the right way. So I went through here, and a couple of your photos are saved as just random letters and numbers. 4, 5, 7, 9, 12, 14, 16, 18. That's what the computer does. So when we upload photos from our computer, the computer generates a file name on its own, and unless you change it, it's going to stay that way. Well, all those random numbers and letters are not bringing us value. So if you think about it like, hey, these search engines are reading how my photos are saved, you're going to think twice about what you save them as, right? And it's very important that you save them the right way. So you're going to want to have good content in every photo you have on your website. So definitely very important with real estate websites. Next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All these directories are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher you're going to rank in the map pack. So I typed in Tampa Realtors. We got Greater Tampa Realtors. We got Home Solutions team. And we have the Duncan Duo team. Okay, so obviously you're not here. I don't believe that you have a Google My Business page. And if you're wondering, hey, well, I'm not a broker. I'm just an agent that works under a brokerage, the Property Bros. Then you're in luck because first of all, the Property Bros isn't here. Their website, I didn't find them anywhere on the first page. So the Property Bros, they're not here, and neither is Jenifer Sells Tampa. So neither of you guys are on the first page, which is really where you want to be. But then even more importantly, I want to point out that even if you're not a broker, and again, I don't know how big you want to grow or if you want to expand your business, but you don't need to be a broker to have a Google My Business page. So Kelly Parks, we have Cynthia Jimenez, we have Leslie Sibbett, we have Sophia Sanchez, Carol and Michelle, right? So all these people have Google My Business pages. So I would highly suggest getting yourself one. And getting yourself some citations for it. So for the purposes of this video, we're going to use Carol Pooley and Michelle DeGori, right? Premier Sotheby's International Realty Tampa Realtors. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is what a basic Google My Business page is going to look like. Only it's going to have your name on it. Couple things. So obviously you have the address, the hours, the phone. Reviews. Obviously everybody knows the importance of reviews. They only have 6. We recommend 25. At minimum, you want to have more than your competitors. So if you had 7, you'd beat these 2, and you'd be higher with your citations as long as you do everything right. So you're going to want minimum 7 reviews, but we recommend 25. 25 is that magic number. And then also photos. So we recommend 10 photos. So we want you to have 10 photos uploaded of your own. This photo, this Google Drive-By photo, does not count. So what does count are the ones that you upload to your Google My Business page. We recommend 10 minimum. So So once you get your Google My Business page, upload 10 photos, save them all with good content, get yourself some reviews, and you'll be on your way with the citation pack to being in the top 3. Top 3, at least first page, minimum. And believe me, they're bringing in money from this. They're bringing in money. So, next is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere that your domain can be found on the internet. So anywhere that JeniferSellsTampa.com can be found. You actually have 3 backlinks from 3 referring domains, okay? But yet you have no domain rating. There's no data for this because I think it is because, I don't know. We'd have to take a look at that. But bottom line, you have no domain rating, which is a direct correlation to your backlinks. And so the thing to keep in mind is that not all backlinks are created equal. You want to get backlinks that are coming from relevant sites that aren't spammy. So very important. The benefit to having only 3 backlinks is that you don't have to go through them and remove a bunch. So a lot of times I see people have 1,500 backlinks, but their domain rating is a 2.5 out of 100, which is a prime example that not all backlinks are created equal. So do your homework and get yourself some valuable backlinks. Other than that, I hope this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business and into your life to bring you some money and some leads. And so if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. And thank you very much for watching.